This video is about time, is about clock. Presentation of Peregrino Sienes Time. Time equivalent. Peregrino Sienes Time to standard time explanation. And Peregrino Sienes Time and time zones explanation. And the Peregrino Sienes Time place value. Okay. Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph. So here's our clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Peregrino Sienes Time had only 10 o'clock. And the one is 10 per seconds or 10 per minutes. 2 is 20 per seconds or 20 per minutes. 3 is 30 per seconds or 30 per minutes. And the 4 is 40 per seconds or 40 per minutes. And the 5 is 50 per seconds or 50 per minutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. The 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17. Peregrino Sienes Time or PST. 6 per hours, 44 per minutes, and 17 per seconds. And the Peregrino Sienes Time, 100 per seconds is 1 per minute, and 100 per minutes is 1 per hour. So, 1 per minute is composed of 100 per seconds, and 1 per hour is composed of 100 per minutes. And the 1 poldy of the Peregrino Sienes Time is 20 per hours. Again, 1 poldy is equal to 20 per hours. 1 poldy is equal to 2,000 per minutes. And 1 poldy is 200,000 per seconds. Now, the time equivalent explanation. Time equivalent. Peregrino Sienes Time to standard time. Vice versa. All units. Okay. Equivalent. Time equivalent. 1 per hour is equal to 100 per minutes. 1 per hour is equal to 10,000 per seconds. 1 per hour is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 per hour is equal to 72 minutes standard time. And 1 per hour is equal to 4,320 seconds standard time. So, continue time equivalent table. Time equivalent table. 1 per minute is equal to 0.01 per hour. 1 per minute is equal to 100 per seconds. 1 per minute is equal to 0.012 hour standard time. 1 per minute is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. 1 per minute is equal to 43.2 seconds standard time. So, continue. Equivalent table. Time equivalent table. 1 per second is equal to 0.0001 per hour. 1 per second is equal to 0.01 per minute. 1 per second is equal to 0.00012 hour standard time. 1 per second is equal to 0.0072 minute standard time. 1 per second is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So continue. Time equivalent. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 minutes. Excuse me. Again. Time equivalent table. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. And 1 hour is equal to 0.83333 per hour, Peregrino Sienes Time, or PST. 1 hour is equal to 83.33333 per minutes PST. And 1 hour is equal to 8,333.3333 per second PST, or Peregrino Sienes Time. So continue. Time equivalent table. Time equivalent table. 1 minute is equal to 0.016666 hour. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 0.013888 per hour, Peregrino Sienes Time, or PST. 1 minute is equal to 1.38888 per minute PST. 1 minute is equal to 138.88888 per second PST. And the last one, time equivalent table. 1 per second is equal to 0.0002777 hour. 1 second is equal, again. Time equivalent table. 1 second is equal to 0.0002777 hour. 1 second is equal to 0.016666 minute. 1 second is equal to 0.0002348 per hour PST. 1 second is equal to 0.0231481 per minute PST. And 1 second is equal to 2.3148148 per seconds PST. And now the Peregrino Sienes Time Zone. So, Peregrino Sienes Time Zones. Again, Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph time zones. So, the illustration of the Peregrino Sienes Time is here. Clock illustration of PST. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Peregrino Sienes Time have 10 o'clock. Prime meridian is 180 degrees. Then after meridian is also 180 degrees. The total of 360 degrees. So again, prime meridian is 180 degrees. Oh, again, prime meridian is composed of 180 degrees. And after meridian is composed also of 180 degrees. Then the Peregrino Sienes Time have only 10 o'clock. So, 180 degrees divided by 10 is equal to 18 degrees longitude wide. So, 1 per hour is equal to 18 degrees longitude wide. And now, the time zone. Degrees longitude wide, and the corresponding time and the Peregrino Sienes Time. Again, degrees longitude wide and the corresponding time, Peregrino Sienes Time. 0 degrees is 0 degrees is 10 o'clock noon. 0 degrees is 10 o'clock noon or tanghaling tapat. Then 18 degrees is 1 o'clock p.m. 36 degrees is 2 o'clock p.m. 54 degrees is 3 o'clock p.m. 72 degrees is 4 o'clock p.m. So continue. 90 degrees is 5 o'clock p.m. 108 degrees is 6 o'clock p.m. 126 degrees is 7 o'clock p.m. 144 degrees is 8 o'clock p.m. 162 degrees is 9 o'clock p.m. So continue. 180 degrees is 10 o'clock midnight. Alas 10 ng hating gabi. 10 o'clock midnight. Okay. 162 degrees is 1 o'clock a.m. 144 degrees is 2 o'clock a.m. 126 degrees is 3 o'clock a.m. 108 degrees is 4 o'clock a.m. So continue. 90 degrees is 5 o'clock a.m. 72 degrees is 6 o'clock a.m. 54 degrees is 7 o'clock a.m. 36 degrees is 8 o'clock a.m. And 18 degrees is 9 o'clock a.m. And now, the place value. Peregrino Sienes Time, place value. The time is 12 per hours, 34 per minutes, 56 per seconds, and 789 milli per seconds. So, the place value and vertical position. 1 is tenths of per hour. 2 is ones of per hour. Then colon. Then 3 is tenths of per minute. Then 4 is ones of per minute. Then colon. Then 5 is tenths of per seconds. 6 is ones of per seconds. Then point. Then 7 is hundreds of milli per second. And 8 is tenths of milli per second. And 9 is ones of milli per second. So, that's all. And thank you so